Before you open an Ally Bank account, you need to watch this video. Ally Bank has been offering high-yield savings accounts for years now, long before it was cool. But now, everyone is looking to get you to park your extra cash with them for a competitive rate and a set of nifty features. So that begs the question here, is Ally Bank still worth it? Well, here's the thing. Ally Bank customers who took advantage of their smart savings tools on average saved 2 times more money over a 12-month period. So you're going to want to stick around to hear more about that. We're going to be doing a deep dive here on the Ally Bank account, covering features such as their high yield account, as well as CDs, savings buckets, automatic roundups, and more. With all of the digital banks that are out there today, it can be extremely overwhelming when you're looking to make a decision about which one to go with. Our goal here is for you to be able to sit back, maybe even relax, grab a coffee or a tea, and we're going to do all of the heavy mental lifting for you. Let's dive in. Now guys, Ally Financial is a massive multi-billion-dollar publicly traded financial company, and they offer financial services ranging from banking to auto loans to investing and more. For the purpose of this video, we're going to specifically focus on the banking side of Ally's offerings. But guys, if you do want to see a full review here of the Ally investing account or maybe even the Ally auto loans, go ahead and drop a like on this video and leave me a comment down below. So let's dive into the key features available through Ally Bank now. Within the realm of banking, Ally offers savings accounts, checking accounts, and other options like CDs and money markets. Since most people are specifically interested in the high yield savings account, we're going to focus mostly on that, as well as touch on their checking account, as these go hand in hand with each other. But we will be touching on CDs later, so stay tuned. Starting out with the savings account, here's what you need to know, focusing on the interest rate at the beginning. As of mid-March, we found the average interest rate for savings accounts to be just 0.41% APY. So right off the bat, if you decide to use Ally and their high-yield savings, you'll be earning multiple times the average rate of interest compared to traditional bank accounts. But just because they're offering this does not mean that it's the highest interest rate possible. Ally Bank has been in the online banking business for a long time, and they've garnered a massive client base with over $100 billion in total assets under management. There are newcomers on the block here like SoFi that are consistently offering an APY that is more competitive than Ally Bank. Since rates are subject to change, we can't discuss them here, but instead you can click the top link to read our full article on NerdWallet. This article on the best savings accounts is updated monthly, and it's going to have all of the best bank account offers, the current interest rates, and maybe even a sign-up bonus, so definitely check it out. Moving on from the interest rate discussion now, let's talk about these smart savings tools that are available through Ally Bank. And here's the thing, as we mentioned before, Ally Bank has found that users who take advantage of these features saved 2 times more money over a 12-month period. So while Ally Bank might not have the most competitive interest rate out there, the features like the smart savings tools might actually move the needle here for you, as this could help you to actually save more money. The first smart savings tool here is called Savings Buckets. Now you can create up to 30 of these per Ally Bank account, and these are like mini savings accounts where you can set aside money for specific goals. Ally offers tools for automating your savings, and you can even create auto-recurring deposits to each of these different savings buckets. But that's not all. They also offer other smart savings tools called boosters, so let's dive into those now. The first booster feature is called Roundups. Now with this particular feature, Ally is going to track your spending through the checking account, and then they're going to take that spare change and set it aside. And once that spare change accumulated hits $5, they're going to move that over to your savings account automatically. In addition, Ally offers another booster feature called Surprise Savings. With this, Ally Bank will analyze your spending and savings and automatically move safe to save money over to your high yield account. Keep in mind that you can transfer your money back here at any time, and Ally Bank offers overdraft protection features too. Now, Ally Bank is also well known for their CD accounts, which stands for Certificate of Deposit, so let's cover those briefly now too. CDs are going to be a little bit different from a bank account because you need to keep your money locked up for a set term, say 6 months for example. Yes, you can get your money out early in most cases, but you'll end up paying a penalty. Ally Bank offers CDs ranging from a 3-month to a 5-year term with no minimum deposit required to open one. CDs can be a great way to lock in a guarantee guaranteed rate, especially if you think interest rates are going to come down in the future. Keep in mind, however, that Ally Bank offers CDs with both fixed and variable rates. In addition, some of these shorter-term CDs offered through Ally actually pay a more competitive rate than their high-yield savings account, so this can potentially be a way to get an extra savings boost too for your longer-term savings. But now we do need to talk about their checking account, as you're going to have a lot more options and flexibility here if you do decide to use both. As mentioned before, Ally Bank offers a checking account called their spending account, which works directly with their high-yield savings. This checking account isn't going to pay a high rate of interest compared to the savings account, but the idea here is for you to use this for your day-to-day spending and put the rest of your money in the high-yield savings. Here's what people love about Ally's online checking account. First of all, the account comes with no overdraft fees. If you try to process a transaction with insufficient funds, it will simply decline the transaction. Now, there are some more advanced overdraft protection features for those who might want that, but these are usually available to those who have established a banking relationship with Ally Bank already. Another plus for this account is that there are no monthly maintenance fees or minimum balance required, and this applies to both the checking and savings account. In addition, if you plan on using the Ally spending account as your main account, you can get early access to your paycheck through their early direct deposit feature. But what about withdrawing and possibly depositing physical cash? If you're looking to get cash out, Ally has over 75,000 ATMs available that are fee-free through the Allpoint and MoneyPass network. However, if you do have to use an out-of-network ATM, Ally Bank will reimburse you up to $10 per statement cycle for fees charged at other ATMs nationwide. So it's easy to get physical cash out when you use the Ally spending account. But unfortunately, if you only use the high-yield savings account, there is no way to withdraw physical cash because you need the debit card associated with the checking account. As far as cash deposits go here, as an online bank, Ally does not accept cash deposits. If you're looking to deposit money to your Ally account, your options are online transfers, direct deposits, wire transfers, or depositing checks via Ally eCheck deposit or through the mail. If this is a deal breaker for you, hold that thought. Capital One is a great alternative here because they have a competitive high-yield account and they have physical branches where you can deposit cash. You can read our full review of the Capital One 360 bank account linked in the description below to learn more. Let's go ahead and summarize what we've learned here, looking at the pros and cons of Ally Bank, starting off with the pros. First of all, Ally Bank is known for having an extremely user-friendly mobile app and online banking platform. Whether it's using the smart savings buckets, sending money with Zelle, or just simply transferring money from one bank to another, the experience should be seamless. Another pro here is their suite of smart savings tools, which can help you to both automate and potentially accelerate your savings. In addition, Ally Bank is known for having phenomenal customer support, despite the fact that you can't visit a branch to ask questions. Customer care associates are available 24/7 via phone, and yes, you can talk to a real person. However, there are some cons that we have to bring up here too. For starters here, the no branches aspect of Ally Bank is a deal breaker for some, especially if you want to deposit physical cash. In addition, if you're saving your money with them through their high-yield savings account and decide that you want physical cash, the only option is through the Ally spending or checking account. Yes, in theory, you could just transfer your money from your Ally high-yield savings back to your other bank account, but it's not going to be instantaneous. So in a nutshell, be prepared to open up 2 accounts here with Ally if you want to be able to withdraw physical cash within the Ally banking ecosystem. Another con here is that Ally Bank doesn't offer a sign-up bonus to everyone unless you know a friend who already has an Ally bank account. If you do, you can ask them to invite you, and then potentially earn a bonus of $100 when you open an Ally account and complete a few qualifying steps. So hey, maybe ask around and see if your friends have an Ally bank account. That's going to wrap things up for me, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you made it to the very end, make sure you drop a like on this video, as well as subscribe and hit the bell for future notifications. There's also a ton of helpful resources linked up down below, so make sure you give those a read too. If you enjoyed this review, check out our full review of Robinhood next. This is a popular app for investing in stocks, ETFs, and other assets. We'll see you there.